Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer file from one computer to another computer safely while being anonymous, and you don't need to know the IP address of the another machine in order to send these files. So let's see how you can do this. So I'm going to open my terminal here. So in order to transfer file anonymously and securely, we will install a tool named as Wormhole. In order to install that tool, run command sudo apt install Magic Wormhole. Now hit enter. So I already installed this tool, but you have to install it. And now let's move further. I have a file here named as hi.txt, which contains a simple text. Let me show you. So this file contains a text hi, and we have to send this file to another Linux machine. Let's see how we can transfer this file from this machine to another Linux machine. So for that I'll run command wormhole send, then the file that you want to send. In my case, the file hi.txt. Now hit enter. As you can see, it generates a random text which we need to send to the receiver so that the receiver can use this keyword to receive the file. So let's go to the second machine and see how we can receive the file. And this is my second Linux machine in which we're going to receive the file. So for that, I'm going to open the terminal. So in this machine, the tool wormhole is already installed. In order to receive the file, I'll run command wormhole receive. Now hit enter. It will ask you to enter the code that is generated in the sender's machine while he sends the file. So the sender will send the code to the receiver. Then only can the receiver access the file. I'll enter the code and hit enter. So it is showing that receiving file of 3 byte and the file name is hi.txt. I'm going to enter yes. As you can see, I successfully received the file, and let's see the content of the file, which is same as when we send the file.